Hibiscus tea, made from the dried parts of the hibiscus plant, is a popular herbal tea known for its vibrant color and unique flavor. Antioxidants like anthocyanins, which are abundant in hibiscus tea, help prevent oxidative stress and lessen the harm that free radicals can do. This may lessen the chance of developing chronic illnesses and shield cells from harm. Hibiscus tea may have a hypotensive effect. It has substances that have the ability to relax blood vessels, improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure in general. According to some research, hibiscus tea may help lower triglyceride and bad LDL cholesterol levels, which may improve cardiovascular health and lower the risk of heart disease. Hibiscus tea may promote heart health and minimize the risk of heart-related disorders because of its ability to lower blood pressure and cholesterol. Studies have indicated that hibiscus tea can help preserve liver health by lowering inflammation in the liver and guarding against toxins that might harm the liver. There is some evidence that hibiscus tea can help with weight loss by fostering a healthier metabolism and lowering the formation of body fat. It is a healthy complement to a diet for weight loss because it is naturally low in calories. Studies have indicated that the antioxidants in hibiscus tea have anti-cancer qualities, which may include preventing the spread of cancer cells. To validate these effects in humans, more research is necessary. The anti-inflammatory qualities of hibiscus tea can aid in lowering inflammation levels in the body, which may lessen symptoms related to illnesses like arthritis. Hibiscus tea can aid in better digestion by encouraging the synthesis of digestive enzymes and bolstering the gastrointestinal tract's general health. Hibiscus tea contains vitamins and antioxidants that can strengthen the immune system, assisting the body in fending off infections and other ailments. Thank you for watching NextMeds. Please like and subscribe for daily videos about health, nutrition, and diseases.